Hi, hello students. This is Microsoft Word, and today we're going to be working on Assignment 2's case file. Now I realize that I've expected you to already have completed the tutorial assignment and then be on the case file after this so that you have an understanding of everything I'm doing. This will be a fast walkthrough just to help you get unstuck if you have gotten stuck. I'm on page WD 115. This is Assignment 2, Case 1, and it's worth 10 points. The first thing I expect you to have done is gone online and downloaded the data files you need to complete this assignment. Mine are on my desktop. They're sent here as yoga. So, step 1, we're going to work on the Green Willow Yoga Studio and Spa. Step 1, open the yoga file. In this file, I see I have a ton of comments. I have some text on the left. Each comment leads to a different place and a different command. So we're going to open Yoga, and then we're going to save it as Yoga Flyer. So to save something, I can hit Control S to save it exactly as the same, or if I want to save it as something new, File, Save As, and I'm going to choose my desktop because I like to work on my desktop. We're going to name this Yoga Flyer. Alright, you can see I've renamed it because at the top it says Yoga Flyer. Step 2, we're going to format the document as directed in the comments. After you complete a task, delete the relevant comment, respond yes to the comment asking if 20 is the correct number of years. When you are finished with the formatting, the comments with the question and the comment with your reply should be the only remaining comment. So I have all these comments over here from Carl Boschio, and I'm going to delete all of them after I've made the changes, except for one. And that's one that's right here. Is this the number of correct years? I'm going to respond to this, and so we'll have Carl's and then mine with a response of yes. So the first thing we'll do is we'll format the photo, format the paragraph with the title style. So we can tell which paragraph he's talking about if we hit on the comment, so I know it's this line. And we're going to do a title style. And I can see normal, no spacing, heading 1, heading 2, title. So that's been changed. I can now delete this comment. I like to delete comments just the right click on the comment and then delete comment. You can also go up here to review and do it from here. Alright, so right click, delete comment. Our next one is Carl Boschio, format the paragraph with the subtitle style. And again, I can see what paragraph he's talking about because it's highlighted. Come up here to the Home tab on the ribbon, and we're looking for the subtitle style. Subtitle emphasis, subtitle. Now, let's mark this as done or delete the comment. Alright, for is this the correct number of years? We want to respond to Carl. Now you see how I responded by hitting on the comment response button on the far right side. Alright, coming down the next line, format the bold class names with the intense reference style. So I'm going to do them all at once. By holding my control button, and I'm looking to format them, the bold names, with the intense reference style. Intense emphasis, intense quote, intense reference. There it is. And then format the list of classes with the default bullet style. So we're going to come over here. I'm going to do these one at a time. And we're looking for default bullet style. Let's see. Alright, doing the default bullet style, we're going to highlight. Sorry guys, my mouse has been acting up horribly. Come up here, just click on bullet. And I'm going to do these one at a time. Alright, I can now delete this comment and move on to the next. Replace all instances of PM, uppercase, with lowercase pm. Now, I'm a lazy guy. I want to do this all at once without a lot of work, so I'm going to go up and define the replace button. And I'm looking for uppercase P, period, uppercase M, period, and I'm going to replace with lowercase p, period, lowercase m, period, and replace all. So we got 7 replacements. Hit OK, close, we're done. Delete the comment. Alright, the next thing we got is to format the 4 red paragraphs with the emphasis style, and then format them as a numbered list using 1, close quotation, or 1, 2, 3 numbering style. So let's just go ahead and highlight them all. We're going to do a drop down list, and we're looking for emphasis style. And then we want to change these into a numbered list, but it's a very specific type. We want the one that has the number and then just the closed parentheses. Alright, that comment is accomplished. And we're down to our last step. Replace student name with your first and last name. Alright, well, this should be pretty easy. Replacing student name with my first and last name. And deleting the comment. Alright, so that was step 2. In the case problem 1, we're on to step 3. We're going to move the third bulleted item, which begins yoga for relaxation, up to make it the first bulleted item in the list. Now I'm just going to highlight it. My mouse will stop glitching, and I'm going to drag it up. Then we're going to change the theme to the Ion theme. Alright, the Ion theme is going to be underneath the design, and on the left hand side you have themes. So just do your drop down menu, find the Ion, select it, and then we've accomplished step number 4. The last and final step, the easiest one should be, is to save the document and close it. So just File, Save. You could have also clicked on the diskette in the top corner, or you can then Control S. Either of the 3 works. When you're finished with that, close it down, and make sure that you zip the folder together, then upload it to Blackboard so that I can grade. This video took about 8.5 minutes for me to go through the entire case problem. So you as a student should be able to do it 15-20 minutes at most. If you get overwhelmed, just watch the video again. It's a step-by-step walkthrough. But make sure you're uploading it, make sure you're doing your discussion boards, and don't forget to do your tutorial. All 3 are very important. All 3 are worth a whole lot of points. Alright, good luck guys. If you have any questions, make sure you email me, call me, or put a discussion board.